Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Max Plus by Nike in collaboration with Music, Fashion and Art Festival Homecoming in the African Sunrise colorway. These were released on the 25th of April 2026 for a retail price of £175 here in the UK, and it comes in an all black Nike box. Inside the box comes your shoes wrapped in black and white special Homecoming and Nike printed paper. The shoes come with 3 rope laces in the Pan-African colours black, red and green, as well as 6 charms. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This released along a black colorway, like its name suggests, is inspired by the deep oranges of the African sunrise. The web net upper takes a nod to the net sponges used by Africans across the diaspora. The Pan-African theme continues with the toe dipped into a safety orange waterproof PU coating, referencing the African process of indigo dyeing, where the prints can be seen on its insoles. Our Homecoming branding can also be seen on the tongue. I recommend staying true to size. These Air Max Pluses are a slip-on pair with the rubber cage overlays. I usually go up half a size like my other pair of Air Max Pluses, but these felt more roomier at the toe box while also having a secure fit. Overall, I like the bold colours and African roots, and I was lucky enough to meet and listen to the founder, Grace Ladoja. So big shout out to her, and I wish more success for the upcoming Homecoming collabs. And as usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment home to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.